Today I am reviewing the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 Fish Finder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are an angler who is tired of guessing what is happening beneath the surface of the water, but you also do not want to spend a fortune on overly complicated marine electronics, the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 Fish Finder is exactly what you need. This device strikes a brilliant balance between simplicity, reliability, and sheer performance, making it an essential companion for your fishing trips. Right out of the box, you notice that Humminbird has focused entirely on what matters most to a fisherman, eliminating the unnecessary fluff and focusing on delivering a crystal-clear picture of what is going on below your boat. Let's talk first about the absolute centerpiece of this unit, which is the Dual Beam Sonar. Having the ability to choose between a narrow and a wide beam completely changes how you approach a day on the water. When you use the narrow beam, the fish finder gives you an incredibly high-detail view of what is directly underneath you. This is perfect for when you are tracking along a known structure or drop-off, and you need to see exactly where the fish are holding or how the bottom contour shifts. On the flip side, when you switch to the wide beam, you get a much more generous coverage area. This is fantastic for scanning a new body of water or searching for schools of bait fish across a wider expanse. It lets you cover ground quickly without missing the bigger picture. Together, these two beams ensure that you can easily identify fish, locate underwater structure, and map out the contours of the lake or riverbed with total confidence. The display on the PiranhaMAX 4 is another major highlight. It provides a sharp, bright image that remains highly visible even in direct, harsh sunlight, which is an area where many budget-friendly fish finders usually fail. You do not have to squint or shade the screen with your hand just to see if that mark is a fish or a piece of timber. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, meaning you do not need a degree in marine biology or computer science to operate it. You can toggle through the settings easily, adjusting the sensitivity or change your view on the fly while you are busy managing your fishing rod. Physically setting up the device is incredibly straightforward, and that is largely thanks to the included hardware. It comes with a rugged tilt and swivel mount, which is an absolute lifesaver when you are out on the water. Conditions change constantly, the sun moves, and you might change your seating position in the boat. With the tilt and swivel mount, you can quickly adjust the viewing angle with one hand so that the screen is always perfectly aligned with your line of sight. It locks securely into place, so you do not have to worry about the vibrations of your motor shifting your screen around. Along with the mount, you get the XNT928T transom-mount transducer. This transducer is built like a tank and performs flawlessly, delivering consistent and accurate sonar readings even when you are moving at a decent cruising speed. Peace of mind is also part of the package here. Humminbird backs this unit with a 1-year limited warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's durability. This is a brand known for making marine equipment that withstands the elements, from pounding waves to intense UV exposure, and the PiranhaMAX 4 is no exception. It feels solid, water-resistant, and ready for years of heavy use on the water. Whether you are a seasoned pro looking for a secondary unit to place at the bow of your boat, or a beginner looking for your very first sonar setup for a kayak or small utility boat, this package delivers incredible value. You get the fish finder itself, the versatile mount, and the high-performing transom-mount transducer all in one box, allowing you to get out on the water and start catching fish almost immediately. It simplifies the underwater world without compromising on accuracy, giving you the exact data you need to target fish effectively and stay safe from shallow hazards. For anyone looking to maximize their time on the water and truly understand what is happening beneath their hull, the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 is an investment that will pay off on your very first cast.